Welcome back to Easy Programming by Venugopal. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what is strong number and how to check whether the given number is strong number or not using Python coding. Let's start. So here I'll create a new file, strongnum.py. And here the question is program to check whether the given number is strong number or not. So first of all, what is strong number? Let me explain with an example. Suppose 145 is a strong number. So strong number means sum of the factorials of each digit of the given number should be again the same number itself. Means see 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. So this is again actually we'll get again the same number like this. So these type of numbers are strong numbers, like 1, 2 are also strong numbers. Now we have to check given number is strong number or not. This program I'll explain to you in two ways. One is step-by-step procedure, and one more thing is like shortcut way also I'm going to explain to you. So first we'll start. So here we'll take a number from keyboard, input of, enter the number. Okay. Then after that, here I will take initially total 0. One variable total equal to 0. Then for loop, for let's take here digit in n. So n is a string of integer so that we can iterate it. Now here what you'll do, here we are extracting each digit, and this digit is string format, so we have to convert it to integer and you have to find the factorial of the digit. So for that, so I'll use factorial function. This is a function from math module that we have to import. So from math import factorial, and here we'll convert the digit into integer and we'll calculate factorial, and this factorial will add to, or first you can find it, then later you can add to total, or you can do it shortcut way also, total plus equal to, like this. That's it. Then after that we'll check it here. If total equal to given number is string of integer, so we'll convert into integer. Then we'll check like this. If it is true, then we'll print. So given number is strong number, or simply I'll write here strong number. Else not strong number, print of not strong number, like this. That's it. Now save and we'll run it. Py strongnum.py. Now here I am taking 145 as an input number. Now see, this is a strong number. So even if I take 2 also, it is a strong number, right? 1 also a strong number. And if I take, for example, 150, this is not a strong number. Okay. So what is happening here? Say, for example, if I take 145, okay. So initially total 0, n is 145. It is a string format right now. Okay. Then here we are iterating this, string of integer. So first here 145, in that first digit is 1, right? So this 1 we are converting into integer and we are finding the factorial. So that 1 factorial is 1 only, that we are adding to total. So what is the total now? So total is now 1. Okay, total is now 1. So it is changing from 0 to 1 only here, right? Now next, again the control will go back. Now this time 4, right? This time 4. Now this 4 we are converting into integer and we are finding the factorial. Now 4 factorial is what? 24. Okay. So the 24 we are adding to the existing total. That is 1. 1 plus 24. Okay. 1 plus 24. Okay. That is 25. Okay. That is 25, right? So next again the control will go back. Now this time 5. Okay, 5. Now, so we are finding the 5 factorial here. So first of all, we are converting into integer. Then we are finding factorial. So that is 5 factorial is what here? 120, right? So 25 plus 120. So that 120 we are adding to the existing total variable, right? So that is totally, okay, 125 plus 120. That is total how much here? 145, right? Yes, that is what. So finally total is 145. So this variable actually I have taken here in a program TOT I have taken. You can take total or TOT, anything. That is finally 125. So now it will terminate from the loop and here we'll check. Now total is 145 and our given number also 145, right? Both are same. So true. That's why it will display a strong number. In case the total is not matching with a given number, then at the time it will come to else block and will display the not strong number. That's it. And let me take a shortcut way for this. Okay, so same program but little bit short. Okay, so you can also follow this one. So same way, like first we can import from math, import factorial, and then okay, take a number from keyboard, string of integer, enter the number like this, and then after that here directly what I do, I'll do the sum. How? Take a loop for digit in n, and here for each digit you have to find the factorial. So factorial of, so we have to convert into integer each digit, right? And then you have to do sum. That's it. And okay, so this sum let's store into one variable, say for example total. Okay, that's it. Now we'll check. Like let me copy this line here. Same here also, right? That's it. There's only one line I have done in this, right? Now I can clear it and then we'll run it. Now this time again 145. So see, it is a strong number. And if I enter the 2, it's a strong number. If I enter any other number, say for example 100, it is a not strong number. It's a shortcut way. Okay. So here, same above code only, just I made it here short. But here I'm using the predefined function is called sum. Okay, that's it. So after finding the sum, and then here we are comparing the total with original number. That's it. If it is true, then strong number, otherwise not strong number. That's it. So for more such videos and Python full stack related content, you can subscribe the channel and click on bell button to receive the notifications. In the next video, I'll come with another important program. Hare Krishna.